Girl, every day is very Christmas. I think
Nah.
What are you recording? Yambang kawan
Yeah,
ne.
yeah, yeah.
Dia kara Maya bandana kya?
Maya Bandhan. Hi guys. This is the last day of 2025. This year is very special. The Netherlands has decided to stop public fireworks because of safety concerns, environmental damage, and the reduced injuries and stress on people and animals. So this is the one of the last time fireworks will light up the sky here. And for me, this makes the moment even more meaningful. It's my first time experience New Year's Eve fireworks in my life. Yay! Bimadan. Bimadan. Because I have never seen in lively fireworks before. And knowing it might be the last makes my heart race with excitement. You can see it in my smile. In that moment, I'm enjoying life like a little child. Truly, the best way to live is not to chase tomorrow, but to be present in this very moment. To feel it with your heart, to smile, to be happy, surrounded by the people you love. You can probably feel it. Yeah, I felt it. You can see two girls at the corner. Oh, they were worried and scared to stay here on the bridge. We decided to head back to our friend's rooftop, and then the clock struck 12. 2026 officially arrived in the Netherlands. From that moment on, the sky was filled with non-stop fireworks. You can see it? Lighting it up beautiful for nearly 2 hours. It felt magical, like the night itself was celebrating the new year. Tonight isn't just about fireworks in the sky, it's about memories I will carry with me forever. I truly enjoyed that moment, but while editing this video, watching it again and again, I noticed something else. The entire sky filled with fireworks, and at the same time, thick smoke spreading everywhere, slowly polluting the clean air. Seeing that made me understand why the Netherlands decided to stop fireworks from this year on. It's not just a rule, it's a long-term decision to protect nature and the environment. And honestly, I feel grateful that I was lucky enough to experience this at least once in my life in life. But as someone who truly loves nature, I agree it's good and responsible decision. So that was my experience, and I'm happy I could share it with all of you. As my brother said, it's finished, and it's not finished. We watched the last fireworks beautifully before heading back home because there was a beautiful firework in front of our house. That's how we welcome 2026. I wish each one of you a new year filled with happiness, good health, and peaceful life. May all your hopes and dreams come true in this year. So, alright, that's it for now. Bye. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.